it's a new experience. We met a lot of new people, new companies. We saw our work aviation from the ground handling side and from the airline side. We heard the ground handling point of view from the aviation side, and we had some questions and maybe some problems with monitoring and coordinating our station. So now we can work it better and solve many problems which was not solved before. Because it's a worldwide company and highly and top recommended all over the world. We are working on IATA recommendation daily. That's why it's interesting to hear it from the instructors which is already working from inside. Normally we are taking the trainings locally in Russia Federation, inside the civil aviation or the Aeroflot group training company. So we are seeing our work only from Russian Federation side, let's say like this, and from IATA training we can see how it looks like internationally. I highly recommend to go and to have a training here. We took the station management training here, so it was very interesting and very professional.